Iphiko elikhethekileko lamafokisi i-SIU idlulisele emapholiseni amacala ama-33 amalungana namathenda wenzisiza zokuzivikela ku-COVID-19. Kukholakala bona umnyango wezempilo eLimpopo wakhupha amakontraka wengidi ezi-125 zamaranda ngobukirikitjhani. Ezinye inkulu kulomnyango sezijanisiwe nemsebenzini malungana nabo lobu bukhohlakali. I-SIU iphenye inkampani ezanikelwe amathenda ezima-42 ebezinamakontraka abizingidi ezi-486 zamaranda eLimpopo. I-Road Agency kunye nomnyango wezokubusa ngokuhlanganyela kunye nobuholi bendabuko nazo ziphenyiwe.
The enforcement law can take its course because we are sick and tired as the province of Limpopo because just people are looting every day. You can see what's happening in the Department of Health. You can now just go to one of the provincial hospitals. Nothing is happening. There are no blankets, no water.
I-ofisi kaNdunankulu lithi lisafundisisa umbiko lo lizokuphefumula ngawo ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. Senjalo union ensebenzini hawo ithi uyithusile umbiko lo.
We found it very much despicable that the findings that are there in the SIU reports clearly indicates our long-term stance on corruption. That the money that have been used there could have been used for many things to save lives to our people.
iConty Lebepe Foundation ithi indaba le izoyithatha ichingiswe ekhotho nangabe iimphakamiso eziphakamiswe kwezi azisetshenziswa.